Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this easy bracelet using 2-hole buttons. This is Bonor's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.1mm hook. First, I'm making a stitch. Then I'm taking the first button, pushing the hook into this hole, and pulling the thread out. And then I'm making one single crochet. I'm making 2 chains, pushing the hook in the other hole, pulling the thread out, and one single crochet. Now I'm making 3 chains, taking the second button, pushing the hook through this hole, and pulling the thread out. One single crochet, two chains, pushing the hook through this other hole, pulling the thread out, one single crochet, and 3 chains. The number of chains between buttons could be based on the gap length between the buttons. So if you want the buttons to line up closely, make fewer chains, and if you want them to have a clear bigger gap, make more chains. Pushing the hook into the hole, pulling the thread out, one single crochet, 2 chains, and the number of chains around the buttons are also based on the size of your buttons. So if you have bigger buttons, do more chains. Pushing the hook into other hole, pulling the thread out, and one single crochet. And keep doing this process until you reach the size you want. Now for the curved corners, I'm making 6 chains, pushing the hook into this hole, pulling the thread out, I'm making one single crochet, 2 chains, In the next hole, pushing the hook and pulling the thread, one single crochet, three chains, and keep doing this. Now for the finishing curve, I'm making 6 chains, and one slip stitch to close this row. Now I want to add a beautiful border to this bracelet. So I'm making one chain, and around this string above the bottom I'm making 2 single crochet, 3 chains, 1 slip stitch, and 2 single crochet. 3 chains and 1 slip stitch would make a picket. Now around this string covering the gap, I'm making 3 single crochet. And again around the string above the button, I'm making 2 single crochet, 3 chains, 1 slip stitch, and 2 single crochet. Now for the string covering the gap, I'm making 3 single crochet. And for the curve, I'm making 8 single crochet stitches. And repeating the previous process for the other half. And at the end, for the curve, I'm making 8 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch to close up. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.